I've been super busy. Super busy. And this is probably the only time you guys are ever going to see this. So, you guys be prepared for this. I want to smoke through a car wash. Oh yeah, it's going to happen. Oh yes, it's going to happen. There's a first time for everything, guys. Yappy twat.
I put it in your room.
Thank you. Okay, guys. Here we go. Through the car wash. Real talk. No doubt about it. As I said, there is literally a first time for everything. Oh, cheers, guys. Smoke sesh, I guess I'm gonna call this one. Literally. Car wash smoke session, and I got about a quarter of this left, so bear with me, guys. So you guys, it's been a minute. I've been super fucking busy. I'm sorry. Freaking work, and I went to a festival this past weekend too. So I've been busy, to say the least. How have y'all been? I know you guys haven't seen an upload from me in fucking like a month since 420, and I feel bad, believe me, but I know I said last time I'll be back, but this time I'm 150% back, so don't worry about it, guys. want to sit in my own smoke and wait. But yeah, guys, just fucking chiefing today. Might hang out with this girl tonight. Not 100% sure yet, but hey, we'll see, I guess. Whatever happens, happens. Well, this poll's done, guys. Quick little snapper for you guys. But on that note, guys, I guess like, subscribe, comment. Subscribe for more content. Obviously, like the video, get it out there. That'd be awesome. And just comment. Tell me what you guys' thoughts are. I know there's a lot of new people watching my videos too. That's fucking awesome. Thank you. Keep it up, guys. Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. It's beautiful out. I'm gonna go and enjoy today. But yeah, guys, on that note, I guess, peace.